Look at this, is the CEM building. And actually what I want to look at is this shrine. Wow. There's a shrine right here. There it is. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. There it is. There's the steps right here too, so look at that shrine. Wow. It's beautiful. Doo-doo, there's a shrine right here. And you could probably walk up this mountain pass if you wanted to. It's a CEM building. These are all CM trucks. Cable, CM cable. CM is the cable company here. Okay, we'll conclude right there. It's a really cool ending right there for this video. Other cool stuff. There's like this is like a lot of garbage and trash and these really cool bamboo trees. So this is all right next to the CEM building as well. I didn't expect this either. All this coolness and bamboo. Looks like there's like little tarps in there, like you could maybe go homeless and stay up in that area. Huh. Big wall up there. Really cool little space. Interesting, another side of Macau that people might not have expected. So we're just gonna probably go to the Polytech University next, and I'll just conclude it right here. Although the lighting is fantastic in this space. Got some pretty cool looking trees right there. And the sun is kind of coming down a little bit. All right. So here's the view of the streets, the cars. That big thing right there. Sun is starting to go down, and there we go. I will conclude right there.